In 2024, virtually zero enterprise work decisions happened without a human in the loop. But as organizations shift toward agentic workflows, the human-reviewed dashboard is changing. By 2028, 15% of day-to-day work decisions will execute autonomously, moving directly from data ingestion to action. This shift is creating a distinct pay gap. While traditional data science roles are plateauing, the AI engineers building these live systems are commanding a 40% premium. They are moving away from generalist machine learning and towards specialized LLM engineering, with base salaries now reaching $200,000. We can see this divide forming in the workforce. 80% of Generation Z professionals already use generative AI for more than half their daily tasks, while half of all senior professionals don't interact with the technology at all. When manual predictive modeling becomes a commodity, career survival depends on orchestration. The value has moved from training the model to managing the autonomous system. In the 1920s, the global communication network relied on human routing. Hundreds of thousands of women worked as manual telephone switchboard operators, physically connecting lines to keep the system running. But human capacity eventually became the system's primary bottleneck. As call volume grew, the physical task of connecting cables couldn't keep up. Telecom companies solved this by adopting mechanical switching and the rotary dial, the first automated user interface. While this automation eliminated the role of the manual operator, it triggered a structural shift. Those workers moved into newly created administrative and technical roles within the expanding corporate economy. This is the automation paradox. When the cost of a basic task like prediction hits near zero, the role of the practitioner moves higher. The data scientist moves from manually connecting data points to architecting the entire communication system. The core engineering challenge is no longer about writing perfect Python syntax. Coding is becoming a translation layer. The new skill is semantics, using natural language to direct complex logic. This requires an agentic framework. By using a language model as a reasoning engine, an agent can determine the control flow of an application, accessing tools and memory to solve problems independently. LangGraph provides granular control. This diagram shows its state-machine approach, functioning like a factory line with explicit checkpoints for human oversight. CrewAI takes a different approach. Agents assume specialized roles, like researcher or reviewer, collaborating as a team, passing data to reach a goal. For coding tasks, Microsoft's AutoGen provides a specialized environment. It allows agents to write and test their own code inside a secure sandbox, observing the results and iterating on their own logic. Success in this environment depends less on the specific framework and more on the quality of the tools and the design of the system's guardrails. In a hybrid architecture, traditional machine learning models act as specialized tools. The LLM handles the natural language orchestration, but it routes specific tasks, like predicting a delivery time, to an efficient, mathematically precise ML model. This approach is significantly more cost-effective than using frontier foundation models for every task. Fine-tuning an open-source model for a specific job can reduce development costs by up to 90%. While building a single agent is relatively inexpensive, scaling these systems across an enterprise reveals a massive financial gap. This iceberg illustrates why 96% of enterprise AI projects experience cost overruns. The initial build is just the tip. Underneath, you have continuous token consumption as agents reason and loop, combined with the recurring costs of vector databases and maintenance. To manage this, the engineer must function as a financial strategist. You have to route tasks to the cheapest effective model and manage token burn to prevent the system from becoming an economic liability. Passive machine learning models wait for human execution. Agentic AI is active. It possesses agency, making its own sequential decisions and acting on its environment at machine speed. This 100-to-1 ratio of machines to humans changes the security perimeter. Legacy identity protocols were built to manage human login attempts, not a swarm of autonomous entities using API keys and service accounts. These agents are vulnerable to indirect prompt injection. Malicious instructions can be hidden in unstructured data, like a PDF. When the agent reads the file, those hidden commands can hijack the agent's control flow, directing it to exfiltrate data or shut down secure systems. Securing these agents requires a zero-trust approach. This means granting only the exact permissions needed for a single task and requiring human-in-the-loop authorization for any irreversible action. Designing for these security requirements is now a core responsibility for the AI engineer. Safety must be integrated into the architecture from the very first line of code. The manual execution of data scrubbing and isolated modeling is facing permanent commoditization, but the intellectual discipline of data science is moving towards systems architecture and multi-agent orchestration. The role has evolved from building a prediction to governing a workflow. The market is rewarding those who can balance token costs against safety and performance. Those who manage this architectural pivot will oversee the digital workforce, turning technical expertise into high-leverage systems leadership.